Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zari. Adhyay 24, OV 133. आता होईल पोटाचा स्फोट, जो तो तोंडात घाली बोट. बाप हा काय प्रसंग दुर्घट, ओढवले संकट दुर्धर. Now the abdomen will be ruptured, they thought, biting their fingers with dismay. Oh God, what an unendurable situation! We are dragged into a severe calamity. ऐसी लोक करीती चिंता, काय करावे या आकांता. एवढे संकट त्या मावशी करिता, भक्ताधीनता हे ब्रीद. Thus the people were worrying. What could be done in this calamity? All this suffering for this Maushibai? It was an ordeal for the sake of a devotee. कधी कोणीही सेवा करिता, मध्येच दर्शविता अनुचितता, किंवा सेवेकऱ्यास कोणी बोलता, बाबांचे चित्ता खपेना. Whenever anyone was serving Baba, if anyone expressed a dislike or correction in between, or if anyone expressed an opinion to the person rendering the service, Baba did not like it. भक्ता प्रेमळा आले जीवा, मावशीबाईस इशारा द्यावा, साईबाबास आराम व्हावा, परिणाम यावा का ऐसा. A loving devotee had felt like just giving an indication to Maushibai that Sai Baba should be comfortable. Why should this be the outcome? असो देवास आली करुणा, शांतता उद्भवली साईंचे मना. सोडुनिया ते भयप्रद कल्पना, येऊनी आसना बैसती. So be it. The Lord felt compassion. Calmness arose in Sai's heart. He resumed his seat, relieving everyone's terrified state. भक्त प्रेमळ जरी निधडा, बाबांचा स्वभाव पाहुनी करडा. लाविला तेथुनी कानास खडा, घेतला धडा पुढारा. Although the loving devotee had been fearless, seeing Baba's strict nature, swore never to commit this mistake in the future. तेव्हापासूनी निश्चय केला, जावे न कोणाच्याही वाटेला. येईस जैसे ज्याचे मनाला, तैसे तयाला करू द्यावे. From then onwards, he decided not to meddle in anyone's affairs and to let each person follow his or her own way. समर्थ स्वये सामर्थ्यवंत, निग्रहानुग्रह ज्ञानवंत. गुणावगुण सेवक जनात, आपण किमर्थ पहावे. Samartha was himself full of powers. He knows when to use those powers to restrain the evil and confer favors upon the good. He also knows the good and bad qualities of all those who serve him. Then why should we interfere? एकाची सेवा साईस सुखकर, दुजयाची ती असती प्रखर. हे तरी निजबुद्धीचे विकार, खरा प्रकार आकळेना. Sai likes the services of one or finds another's harsh. These are, after all, our understanding. No one knows the truth. असो आता हा थट्टा विनोद, घेणारा घेईल यातील बोध. साई कथा रसामोद, भक्त मकरंद सेवोत. Enough of this humor and jokes. Let those who wish to learn lessons from this do so. May the devotees savor the honey, the taste, and the fragrance from Sai's stories. हेमाड साई पदिलीन, पुढील अध्याय याहुनी गहन. भक्त दामोदराची इच्छा पूर्ण, साई दयाघन करीतील. Hemad surrenders at Sai's feet. The next chapter is more profound than this. Sai, the cloud of mercy, fulfills the desire of his devotee Damodar. तो ही मोठा चमत्कार दामोदर संसार त्रस्त फार तयास पाचारुनी आपुले समोर घालविला घोर तयाचा. That also was a great miracle. Damodar was greatly afflicted in his life. He was summoned before him by Baba and relieved of his problem. स्वस्ति श्री संत सज्जन प्रेरिते भक्त हेमाड पंत विरचिते श्री साई समर्थ सच्चरिते विनोद विलासितं नाम चतुर्विंशतितमोऽध्यायः सम्पूर्णः. श्री सद्गुरु साईनाथार्पणमस्तु. शुभं भवतु शुभं भवतु शुभं भवतु. May there be well-being. This is the end of the 24th chapter of Sri Sai Samartha Satcharit, written by the devotee Hemad Pant, impelled by saints and virtuous people, called Splendid Humor. This is offered to Sri Sadguru Sainath. May there be auspiciousness.